Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Hayi cha guys, uzosakaphilile ama-diaries kaMayini. Hayi cha uzobaloya. Hayi uzobaloya shem. Guys, uMayini is just so delusional and ezinye izinto uzisho as a joke and usuka khuluma iqiniso. Hayi cha kodwa indaba ka-number 5 yona ayibangile inkulumo guys. Abafazi bese behlasele umusa laphayana kudina sebemtshela ukuthi ngoba sowutholile i-number 5 ungayenzi lento ohlale uyiyenza kithi ukuthi mase kungena umfazi omusha sowucala ukudelela ngoba wazi ukuthi sokukhona omusha ozoya kuye thina awusasincengi. And then uMayini was like umusa the more like athola abafazi so the more amkhombisa ukuthi akasena value, ukuthi yonke into ayifunayo umusa akayitholi kulabafazi bonke, so that's why ehamba ayofuna omunye. That means they are not enough for him. And she further on said, I hope ready for lo number 5 because uyi-2K umntana omncane energetic, so I hope ready. And umusa was there laughing at hayibonge ready and wathi uhlala une-energy ke because mina angifuni ukuthi mawuza kimi uzise ukhathele laphayana. Allegedly kuthiwa umusa every time after umusa ulala flat ahone. That's why Mayini was like, 2 minutes when bebesolelela ingane yabantu laphayana uhone laphayana. Hayi ke sabona umusa shem seyitshintsha imood sekakwata. Hey, abafazi bakhe mos yibo abamaziyo ukuthi unjani. And besides that guys, abantu came with ama-concerns for uMakhumalo. uMakhumalo ubethulile idina yonke, ubethulile umbali uze wambuza ukuthi kanti enzakalani, wathula kangaka makhe wabe sekazitshela yena ukuthi hhayi angithulanga nje, indaba ka-number 5 ayihlangene nami. And umusa uyihlanganisa naye because every time umusa makakhuluma indaba ka-number 5 ukhuluma ngenzalo kaMakhe kaMakhumalo. So mhlambe ikhona into yena nomusa abayikhulumile already because uMayini noma ngwabi bayasho ukuthi every time uMakhumalo eza ku-meeting usuke sekayazi agenda. Umusa ushare izinto eziningi noMakhumalo, so mhlambe khona into bekayazi or mhlambe bekazi ukuthi into azoyikhuluma yena ngomlomo wakhe izobalwisa, and akathandanga na the way uMayini was addressing her. Aloku abhizi athi uMakhumalo ile ngane beyishaya isigubhu esontweni, ile ngane while boyi-2 basemshadweni oyi-1. And it is alleged ukuthi umuntu owashada kucala, owalobola kucala kulo mshado kaMayini noMakhumalo, uMakhumalo owashada kucala kunoMayini. So uMakhumalo kahle ngathi uyi-number 2. Kodwa sazi-ke indaba yabo azange bayilungise and sizwa kuthiwa uMuntuza uMayini usehambile washiya umusa nabafazi bakhe because akayithandanga lento ukuthi umusa athi bahamba
uzozala ekhaya
phela ngisukile ngahamba phela kuthiwa bahamba sosala sencane.